This bottom-loading water dispenser has built-in UV lights that purify the water, preventing harmful substances from accumulating in the water tank, and water pipeline. The water dispenser ensures that every sip of water you drink is healthy and clean. The UV lights automatically clean and runs for 20 minutes every hour. When the water pump is working, the UV light will automatically turn on, ensuring that you can drink clean and healthy water at any time. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Removable drip tray. Removable drip tray. Beneath the dispensing nozzle is a large, removable drip tray, used to collect any water that sprinkles. Because it is removable, you can easily take it out to clean. Please note that the drip tray is not dishwasher safe and should be cleaned with a mixture of soap and water. Number 2. Back switch and certificate. Euhomy water coolers are UL Energy Star certified. Note: to prevent scaling and prolong product life, the product needs to be cleaned manually every 4 to 6 months. Number 3. Bottom loading. Euhomy water dispenser is bottom loading, which eliminates the need for any heavy lifting, reducing overflow while also ensuring that anyone can easily replace the bucket. Our water cooler can hold up to 3 or 5 gallons of water. The water bottle is not included. The door of the water cooler is stainless steel, which is not just beautiful but makes the unit more durable. This water dispenser will integrate perfectly in any home, office, kitchen, apartment, anywhere. Number 4. 3 temperature options. Our self-cleaning water cooler allows you to choose between cold water, room temperature water, and hot water, so you can drink ice-cold water in the hot summer or have hot water readily available when it's cold. Water dispenser 5-gallon heating temperature. 185 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. Heating capacity 5 liters per hour. Water cooler dispenser cooling temperature 46.4 to 51 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooling capacity 3 liters per hour. Number 5. Safety lock and night light. This bottom-loading water dispenser has a child safety lock on the hot water nozzle so the whole family can use it without worrying about possible injury. The standing water cooler is also equipped with an LED nightlight, which allows you to check the position of the water cup when you need to add water in the dark or middle of the night. Number 6. Safety device. Water cooler dispensers are UL Energy Star certified. Our units have an empty bottle indicator, so when the water in the bottle runs out, the heating light and the cooling light flash at the same time to remind you to replace the water bottle. Our water coolers also have a function that prevents dry burning in a situation that could potentially result in dry burning. Our dispenser will automatically cut off at the main circuit board, ensuring the safety of you and your family, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.